Namaste. This is the class of Human Anatomy and Physiology. We are covering Unit 1, Cellular Level of Organizations, and in this the topic is Structure and Function of the Cell. We have studied the many structure of the cell. Let's revise once. First is cytoplasm and cellular organelles, then endomembrane system, then endoplasmic reticulum, then Golgi apparatus, and today we will cover lysosomes. Some of the protein products packed by the Golgi include the digestive enzymes that are meant to remain inside the cell for use in breaking down certain material. The enzyme contain vessels released by the Golgi may form new lysosomes or fuse with existing lysosomes. A lysosome is a organelle that contain enzyme that break down and digestive unneeded cellular components such as the damaged organelles. A lysosome is similar to a wrinkly crew that take down old and unsound building in a neighborhood. Autography means autophagy means self-eating. It is the process of a cell digesting its own structure, and lysosomes do the autophagy. When certain immune defense cell, white blood cell, autophagitis bacteria, the bacterial cell is transported into the lysosome and digested by the enzyme inside. As one might imagine, such phagocytic defense cell contain large number of lysosomes. Under certain circumstances, lysosomes perform a more grand and dire function. In the case of damaged or unhealthy cell, lysosome can trigger to open up and release their digestive enzyme into the cytoplasm of the cell, killing the cell. This self-destruction mechanism is called autolysis and make the process of the cell death control, and this process is known as apoptosis. So lysosome function as apoptosis. As we have studied, if some microorganism attack on the cell, then what the lysosome do? Lysosome trigger the enzyme and digested its own cells so that the other cell do not get harmful. Okay, by destructing its own cell, the lysosomes protect the various other cells which are attached to it. So this is the function of the lysosome as self destruction. So the main function of lysosomes is to remove waste as well as destroying a cell after it has died, called autolysis. A lysosome is an organelle contain digestive enzyme which is used to function as a digestion and waste removal for cells, food particles, bacteria. The cells of both plant and animal have many different organelles. Organelles perform different functions that help the cell to survive, replicate, and one of the organelles, the lysosomes, carry out a wide variety of functions. Lysosomes are responsible for a number of different functions, including recycling odd cell, digesting materials that are both inside and outside of the cell, and releasing enzymes. Let's take a deep details about the functions of the lysosome and the structure of the lysosomes. Lysosomes are membrane bound organelles which are found in animal cells. Some they have a single outer membrane consist of phospholipid layer. The phospholipid layer means that one half is hydrophobic, avoiding water, while the Hydrophilic, half loves water. The membrane contains acid and enzyme capable of digesting and composing macromolecule. Macromolecule are molecule which is large number of atoms such as nucleic acid, synthetic polymers and proteins. So here we have completed the structure of lysosomes also. Hope you will like the video. For more query you can comment below. Thank you.